पुत्र पवित्र आत्मा के नाम पर
आमीन।
प्रभु आप लोगों के साथ हो
और आपके साथ भी।
Dear Reverend Father Bobby, brothers and relatives of Father Thomas Embrile, fathers, sisters, friends and well-wishers of Father Thomas Embrile, we are here to say farewell to Father Thomas Embrile for the last time, for the final time. We know the departure of Father Thomas is a great loss for all of us, especially for our province, St. Thomas province, because Father Thomas was a great missionary, a committed missionary with a definite vision and integrity of life. Though he was rector only for 6 years, we always had, every one of us had something to learn from him every time when we met him. As I was coming to Badayon, I was praying for him in the vehicle and reflecting about his life. And one thing that came to my mind, or a phrase that Father Thomas Embrile always said, was this, that I am doing the work of the Lord. I am doing the mission of the Lord, and it is the Lord who brings the result. It is the Lord who brings the fruits, and it is the Lord who protects me. It is the Lord who guides me. I think this was his spirituality, this was his life, and this was the mission that he continued in this life. Or in short, we can say he knew always, or he had always an answer for why he was doing what he was doing. And I think this is a great example that all of us missionaries can imbibe from the life and mission of Father Thomas Embrile. So I would like to express our deep-felt, heartfelt condolences to Father Bobby and the brother and relatives of Father Thomas Embrile. Certainly for them also it is a great loss, but we are sure the intercession of Father Thomas is going to be with all of us in our mission for our St. Thomas province.
अपने राज्य में मुझे याद कर,
अपने राज्य में मुझे याद कर।
प्रभु मेरा चरवाहा है, मुझे किसी बात की कमी नहीं। वो मुझे हरे मैदानों में चराता है, वो मुझे विश्राम के लिए जल के निकट ले जाकर मुझ में नवजीवन का संचार करता है।
हे प्रभु अपने राज्य में मुझे याद कर।
वो अपने नाम का सच्चा है, वो मुझ पास बुला लिया है। सारे पाप बंधन से इन्हें मुक्त कर, आनंद शांति और प्रकाश से आलोकित कर। तेरी दया से ये भी तेरे सब संतों और भक्तों के साथ पुनरुत्थान की महिमा प्राप्त करे, हमारे प्रभु ख्रिस्त के द्वारा।
पवित्र समाचार। मेरे पिता के यहाँ बहुत से निवास स्थान हैं। यीशु ने अपने शिष्यों से कहा, तुम्हारा जी न घबराए जाए, ईश्वर में विश्वास रखो और मुझ में विश्वास रखो, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारे लिए स्थान का प्रबंध करने जाता हूँ। मैं वहाँ जाकर तुम्हारे लिए स्थान का प्रबंध करने के बाद फिर आऊँगा और तुम्हें अपने यहाँ ले जाऊँगा। थॉमस ने उनसे कहा, प्रभु हम यह भी नहीं जानते कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं, तो वहाँ का मार्ग कैसे जान सकते हैं? यीशु ने उससे कहा, मार्ग सत्य और जीवन में हूँ, मुझसे होकर गए बिना कोई पिता के पास नहीं आ सकता। ये प्रभु का सुसमाचार है।
प्रिय भाई फादर थॉमस को संतों की संगति में रखे, न्याय के समय वो इनके प्रति दया भाव रखे। ये मृत्यु से मुक्त होकर सभी ऋण से छुटकारा पाकर पिता से मेल मिलाप कर ले, भले गडरिया की संगति में पधारे और सब संतों के साथ अनंत जीवन प्राप्त करे। प्रभु स्वर्ग राज्य में ये तेरे मुखमंडल की ज्योति से सुशोभित रहे, जहां तू युगानुयुग जीता रहता है।
हमारे भाई फादर थॉमस को बपतिस्मा में आनंद जीवन की जमानत मिली थी। अब अपने संतों की संगति में इनका स्वागत कर।
हे पिता हमारी प्रार्थना सुन।
उसका शरीर आनंद जीवन का भोजन ग्रहण किया था, उसका शरीर अंतिम दिन पुनर्जीवित हो जाए।
हम अपने मृत भाई बहनों, संबंधियों और उपकारकों के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं, तो उन्हें पुण्य कर्मों का इनाम दे। पिता हमारी प्रार्थना सुन।
पुनरुत्थान की आशा में शांति के नहीं सो रहे हैं, वे सब तेरे प्रत्यक्ष दर्शन करे।
हे पिता हमारी प्रार्थना सुन।
दुखियों का आश्रय है और उन्हें सांत्वना देता है। तू अपने दुखी जनों को दिलासा दे। तू ही जीवन दाता और मृत्यु विजेता है, आप सदा सर्वदा और आनंद काल तक। आमीन। लोगों को प्रभु शांति दे, आनंद जीवन पाने दे। मृतकों को प्रभु शांति दे, आनंद जीवन पाने दे।
अंतिम दिन में हे प्रभु महिमा में तू जग आए, तेरी दाहिनी ओर हम संतोष का आशीष पाए।
प्रभु और तेरी सूली को नतमस्तक हो आराधे। शरीर सबका उद्धान है, शरीर में ही जीवन है।
नव जीवन दे, शैतान शक्ति दूर करो, जीवन ज्योति दान करो।
न्यायाधीश यीशु तू दे दो मुक्ति पापों से, न्याय विधि से बचा ले तेरे नश्वर भक्तों को।
स्वीकार
करना प्रभु मेरा विश्वास हुआ, सामने तेरे दास होगा बलिदान सारा।
स्वीकार करना प्रभु मेरा विश्वास पूर्वक, सामने तेरे दास होगा बलिदान सारा।
बलिदान जैसे तूने स्वीकार किया।
स्वीकार करना प्रभुवर मेरा विश्वास पूर्वक, सामने तेरे दास लोगों का बलिदान सारा।
अठारी में बेरूंगा नम्र पूर्वक, पावन बलिदान जैसे तूने स्वीकार किया।
स्वीकार करना प्रभुवर मेरा विश्वास पूर्वक, सामने तेरे दास लोगों का बलिदान सारा।
लाजर को जीवन कर दिया, वही वाणी हमारे इस भाई फादर थॉमस को न्याय विधि के दिन दिलाए। तेरी दाहिनी और धर्मियों के साथ खड़े होने की कृपा दे। हे करुणा सागर, तू ही जीवन का स्वामी है, आप सदा सर्वदा और अनंतकाल तक।
सदा सर्वदा और आनंद काल तक।
prayerful support here as for me, someone who was so dearer to me, because from childhood I have seen him as a missionary priest with a lot of zeal. Whenever he comes home, explaining a lot about mission, and which really sown a kind of seed or a desire to go to missions as a child. The one because of whom I came to the Vincentian congregation and to our St. Thomas province, 50th jubilee of his, the golden jubilee of priestly ordination. We had some time together, few days, speaking a lot, sharing a lot, and I was so much wonderstruck, in fact, to hear a lot about his personal life, about which surely one day I will share, shared and revealed to anyone. And I was so much convinced about God's very special intervention in his life and his ministry, and his personal commitment and his faith and his purity. I was so much convinced about. This time on the day of my priestly ordination day, that is 23rd April, he was hospitalized and he had called me that day, congratulating me and asking me to continue the ministry which God has entrusted. He was always encouraging, especially last almost 10 years. He was very specially encouraging me all the time. Otherwise he was not so much expressing his heart, but last few years he was so much expressing what is inside his heart. So I take this ministry of mine as a continuation of his ministry from where he had left. I'm now continuing, and I want to thank the gift of Father Thomas, my uncle, to my personal life, my mission life, my ministry. And he had always a desire. He had told me that he would surely come to Manipur to be a confessor and to spend some years there, which is still something unaccomplished. But I am so much convinced of his intercession will be with us, all of us in our ministry. So I want to thank you for your prayerful accompaniment, especially on his demise. So many of you have texted and consoled me also personally, and all his dear brothers, my father and 2 more other brothers. Now 3 are there, 1 is in America and 2 are in Kerala. Brothers, they are all spiritually here present. Here Appachan Papan's sudden demise, in fact. So thanking the Lord for the gift of this great missionary to our congregation, to especially our province, and thanking all of you for being a part of his ministry, especially to be here was one of his happy moment thing for today, that he would be here in Badayu, because Badayu was in his heart. We all know that from the very beginning he spent years here. So we thank the Lord today together. आपके अंचल में आपके प्रिय बैठे को हम सौंप रहे हैं। आपकी मध्यस्थता से इन्होंने काफ़ी सेवा कार्य, प्रभु की सेवा कार्य, प्रभु के वचन का प्रचार इसने किया है पिछले कई साल। माँ, अब उनके लिए विशेष मध्यस्थता करना, जिससे आपका बैठा प्रभु की उपस्थिति का वो आनंद प्राप्त कर पावे।
प्रार्थना करें पापी के लिए और हमारे मरने के समय।
प्रभु आप लोगों के साथ हो
और आपके साथ भी।
सर्वशक्तिमान ईश्वर पिता, पुत्र, पवित्र आत्मा ने आप लोगों को आशीर्वाद प्रदान करे। आमीन।
Father Thunshil, Mr. Thunshil, Father Joseph Pindi from Agra Diocese. I make this time to thank each one of you, especially for the last 16 days. On 23rd, Father was sick. He was almost, his oxygen level had gone down. Doctor told take him to better treatment to Delhi. And we could not get Delhi admission, so we are taken to Ghaziabad. With great difficulty we got it. Sister accepted Father Thomas to the hospital. I take this opportunity to thank the St. Joseph Hospital, Ghaziabad, Mariam Nagar, for accepting and giving all these days service to Father Thomas in the midst of this pandemic and to many there. I thank Father Thomas. I thank St. Joseph community there, all the doctors, nurses and sisters and all others, all those support their service by their prayer and treatment. And today, Father is no more with us, but many, these days when you are praying, I thank our Superior General and all the fathers of the congregation. And I extend my thanks to Archbishop, His Grace Rafi Manjali, Archbishop Emeritus, His Grace Albert D'Souza, Bishop Francis Calist of Meerut, Bishop Ignatius D'Souza of Bareilly, and all other fathers and sisters who have been extending their prayer support for the healing of Thomas. I sincerely thank all of them. And there are many people, the lay people, the faithful to Father Thomas, but in this area, UP Mission, for many years, almost 28 years, he has been here. And from all these places, and especially from the villages, schools in Badai district, and even the school teachers, many were extending their support by prayer. I sincerely thank each and everyone in the name of all the UP ministers and fathers, and especially in the name of Father Thomas, who is not with us now. Surely God will give him the eternal happiness, eternal reward that is set apart for him, because he lived a life of holiness, life of conviction, life of sincerity, life of poverty, obedience. I could see his life for the last 38 years. I know him as director. At last, almost from August onwards, we have been together living, and even last 9 years, he was my neighbor, neighboring place. And we have been sharing many things. And so cooperative nature he had. He was really a missionary like St. Thomas, the apostle, a true follower of Jesus like apostle St. Thomas. So, in the name of Thomas Embrail, who left us, I thank each and everyone with from our depth of our heart, all the Vincent fathers of UP Mission. Thank each one, all those who prayed these days. Especially I remember Thomas very virtue. Mr. Rani, Dr. Rosalie, and his nephew, 2 other nephews, that is Sanjay, Sandosh, then Mr. Rechi. All these people are very cooperative when you are searching for his medicine. They are very active, and it is through them only we got the injection both time. Hospital asked us to collect the injection, but it is through them. I thank for their cooperation with us and giving such a nice father to our community, especially to our Vincent congregation. So I thank once again to all of you. Let us keep united in our prayer. Let us remember him all these days. May God grant him the eternal reward. Thank you once more. Thank you.